This video series aims to make your charging experience as easy as possible on the most popular public networks. In this video, we'll show you how to charge on a ChargeLab Level 3 station with your preferred app. We're at a charging station near Montreal in the parking lot of a Costco. ChargeLab operates Level 2 and Level 3 charging stations in many states and provinces. To start charging, open your preferred app and find the location you want to charge at. Select the station ID that matches the one on the station and proceed with the steps in the app to activate the station. You should see visual feedback on the station that it has received your request to charge. Then plug the correct connector in your car. ChargeLab Level 3 stations typically have a CCS connector. It could take several seconds for the charge to begin. Your app may only receive session updates with some delay. To stop the charge, you must first press the stop button on the charging station. You should see feedback on the station indicating the charging session was stopped. Then you'll be able to unplug the connector from your car. Now that you're all charged up, it's a perfect time to explore the surroundings. We hope this video helped you to make your EV journey as seamless as possible. Visit the Agora website to discover how to activate other networks' public charging stations and to learn more about EV roaming and compatible networks.